Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhones.com. Today I'm showing you Walk Up Alarm. It's an application, an alarm clock that forces you to walk a certain number of steps before you can turn it off. Now we've reviewed a lot of awesome application alarm clock apps on iPhones.com. We have a list. I encourage you to go and check them out. But this particular application, first of all, it has different sounds. You can buy more if you like scary, annoying sounds. This one is my favorite. So you have those sounds. You have the option of repeat, turn no snoozing off, no snoozing on. So you don't have that option. You can choose the number of steps from 10 to 100. Change time easily. Repeat it. So that's pretty much it. And once you have that, it's gonna force you to have a go a certain number of steps before you can change your settings. So let's say I now wait, and then if you want to change your setting, as you can see, you have to force it to go off, and this way, even though it's a little bit annoying, at the same time it tries to get you out of out of your bed. And if you don't want to be late for your work, that's obviously important. Now I cannot go 10 steps even here because I'm in the studio, and as soon as I move one step, this HDMI cable is gonna come out, and that's gonna be the video. So the point here is it's an application that has a scary sounds. I don't really care about the animation. The walking feature is pretty cool, considering that a lot of other alarm applications only focus on user interface and fancy features and fancy bells and whistles like great icons and giving you sophisticated options as far as setting up your alarm, let's say every Monday except the third Monday of the month. So they have those options. This one is pretty simple, but it does support repeating alarms. It does support different sounds, annoying sounds, scary sound. I don't know if it's scary, funny sounds to me. And you can buy additional ones, and it also forces you to move. So I hope you enjoyed this review. For more information, please go to iPhones.com. We have a list for alarm clock apps. Please check that out, and also iPhoneAppsFinder.com. And the application is Walk Up Alarm Clock. So it's by Ricky Ho, and just go on to the App Store and you should be able to find it easily. And I believe it's 99 cents. At least I think that's the price we paid for it. It could be free, it could be more, but I think the price we paid for it is 99 cents, and it's perfectly reasonable for an app like this. I do like to see more options and maybe more free sounds, and that'd be nice to see. So thanks again for watching, guys.